What started as an April Fool's joke, the fake launch of Tiffany company cryptocurrency, Tiffcoin, by August evolved into the successful sellout of non-fungible token NFT pendants depicting CryptoPunk digital art figures.
Start with this. Luxury jeweler Tiffany & Co. is teasing NFTiff. This is an exclusive NFT drop, most notably for CryptoPunk NFT owners. Now, buying a digital pass allows the holder to redeem it for a digital pendant that then matches the likeness of a CryptoPunk NFT. CryptoPunk holders will be eligible to redeem the pass for a physical pendant. Some of the other details on this, because it has a hefty price tag as well here. 250 NFTs going to be minted, each costing around 30 Ethereum. Yes, you heard that correctly. 30 Ethereum. Now, that's about $50,000 in fiat currency.
The LVMH-owned company released 250 digital passes priced at 30 Ether, about $50,000, against which buyers could redeem a gem set custom pendant, as well as a digital artwork of it. Signum, a metaverse-only diamond company HB Antwerp launched at the end of 2021, has introduced initiatives that show how NFTs offer not only immutable proof of ownership, history, and authenticity, but also a chance to support mining communities. Signum reinvested the revenue of the sales of polished diamond NFTs among its Buns Land community members, who collect digital bunnies, into a non-profit organization focusing on empowering young people from Botswana to become managers. This is a great chance to collaborate with our MetaDiamond NFT buyers, while at the same time contributing to the mining community, says Signum co-founder Shida Toledo. Whether NFTs are accompanying physical and digital items, or purely living in the metaverse, there's no doubt they're more than a fad and can offer jewelers a wide range of opportunities to enhance services to their clients and improve transparency in the industry at large.